Did you forget the password to your zip file that you absolutely need to open? Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to recover that password so you can access your file without any more headaches. As you can see, I have a zip file here that's locked up tight. Naturally, when I try to extract it, I'm asked for the password. Now, if you find yourself in this situation, there are a couple of tools you might use, mainly John the Ripper or Hashcat. But before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. This video is purely educational. First, we'll need to get John the Ripper. A quick Google search will do. Just click the first link. Before downloading, check if your operating system is 32-bit or 64-bit. Mine's 64-bit, so I'll grab that version. Here's the zip file. Let's extract it to the desktop. Now you'll see a few folders and a README file. Focus on the one named zip2johnx. This is the tool that converts your zip file into a format John can actually work with. Let's get started. Open up the command prompt and change the directory to the desktop. You should now be in the correct directory. Next, type zip2johnc followed by the location of your zip file, then hit enter. This will give you a unique hash, which will feed into John. Use the arrow key to redirect the output into a file. And now it's time for John to do its thing. Type John, followed by the location of the hash file, and press enter. After a bit of processing, John will spit out the password. Type in the password and click OK.